give a little update on our trip going down to Tennessee. Last time we came down here was in a 2003 Newmar Dutch Star 4005 model, single rear axle, 350 horsepower Cummins, ISC. This year we're in a 2000 Holiday Rambler Navigator. It's got the 500 horsepower ISM tag axle. And what a world of difference. Coming up some of these hills in the 350 horsepower, we can only do a little over 35, maybe 40 miles an hour, pulling the trailer with the same setup. On this one here, I can run 65, 70, no matter where we're at. It is pulling incredible. It's got the big Allison transmission, and it just does a great job. When tractor trailers go by, you get no swaying. It doesn't push you around. It's just a nice, comfortable ride. Anyways, that's what I see so far. Having a good trip. Get some more info later.